Shahveer basically is an aspiring filmmaker. To those who don't know, I'm a filmmaker whose biggest goal in life is to make a change for the good in the Pakistani film industry or help it grow. Vlogging in Pakistan is so much better than vlogging anywhere else in the world, especially for us Pakistanis. I literally step outside my house and I find content. It's more like, जो आपकी जगह है वो आपकी जगह है. And I find it so much easier to vlog in Pakistan. So for the comedy videos that I make, a lot of ideas. A lot of people ask me कि आपको ideas कहाँ से मिलते हैं, and I think even I don't know. I think I observe people. I observe moments, and I just get my ideas from different things happening around me, basically. I don't know, man. Like, my mom was always very shy, and I just started forcefully putting it in one of the videos, and people just went like insane. We were like, we love Mama, bring her back again. So then I was like, okay, everybody's calling her Mama. I'm Shahveer Jafry. I'm just gonna call her Mama Jafry, and that's how Mama made her, first initial presence in front of the camera. I would say it's not the best, but it's getting better, including myself. I would say that we're all students of the game, which is YouTube or filmmaking, and we're all learning. I really like Rahim. I really like all the vloggers from my team. I think they're doing a wonderful job, including Ru, PK, Ali Bhai. I think they're doing an amazing job. Sunny, my brother. But Sunny's not a vlogger. Sunny makes comedy videos. I would say the pranks. I think we don't. Some of the pranks are very. How should I say this? They're very rude to the general audience, whom the prank is done on, and for the viewers. Like, they're very forceful. Pranks should make you smile, make the viewer laugh. But I think the pranks that are happening here are not all of them, but some of them are not nice, I would say. The best, literally. I think the people of Balochistan, they're very different. यहाँ पे कल्चर जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है पूरे पाकिस्तान में. मैंने जो नोट किया है, जैसे आप आए ये जैकेट लेके, मुझे बना दी, मैंने पहन भी ली. सही है ये. दिस इज़ कल्चरल स्टफ. आई थिंक बलोचिस्तान के अंदर ऑल्सो नोबडी टेक्स मनी फ्रॉम मी, सो आई लाइक दैट पार्ट. जब भी किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ, खाना शाना खाओ, नोबडी टेक्स मनी. I think the potential Pakistan in general, and specifically Balochistan, has for tourism, I have never seen anywhere in Pakistan. And people tell me that I haven't even seen the good part. People say that you should go to Gwadar, and I think that is my next stop. I'm gonna go to Gwadar, and I'm 110% fully invested in and thinking about how I should, promote this beautiful place. Minnatwar Balochistan.